Hi my loves, welcome back to another episode of Mel's Talking Hands. And today is, as you can see from the heart, what I got for Valentine's Day. Or should I say what we got for Valentine's Day, because I have hubby on again.
Hi everyone, happy Valentine's Day.
So this video, I am going to show you what hubby got me and what I got him, and then something very, very special indeed I got myself.
Ooh, I'm excited.
So let's start off with yours. I'm actually going to put a little snippet because I totally surprised hubby with this.
Oh, you got me good.
Yeah. So really, the plan is to surprise hubby, because I told him I'm coming to pick up a watch for me, but it was all a facade because I actually got something for him. So he thinks I'm coming to pick it up, and I will try and film his reaction. So hubby's going to help me unbox my new watch, which is, shall we have a look?
You never get sick of all the Rolex paraphernalia.
And
Fantastic. Ready?
yes.
Hint? Guess?
Guess? Comment below.
Surprise!
Surprise!
That was for you. Yeah.
For you.
Oh.
I'll have to cover this with something.
Yeah, you have to put something on there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for me.
It's for you.
I know you're coming up here.
I told you, that's why I told Zach. We were like,
Oh my gosh.
this is the one you wanted, right?
Yeah.
Are you surprised?
I am surprised.
Do you want to try it? So this is not a true unboxing because he has tried it on, but he was super surprised. But I'll hand it over to hubby now.
Thank you. Yes, if you guys look at the video of Mel filming me, I think you can see my genuine reaction was of utter shock and joy.
Well, I had to
later.
cover your face up, but
Yeah,
yeah.
that's okay.
You have to kind of imagine. You can hear it from his voice.
So Mel got me. So obviously you got the normal green box, which I love. I'm going to take it out.
As always, we got it from Watches of Switzerland. That's our go-to sort of watch place.
Oh, those guys are so good. The customer service there is seriously fantastic.
Yes, totally agree.
All right, here we go. So for Valentine's Day, you got me
Dun, dun, dun.
a Rolex Oyster Perpetual 41 millimeters in green. Now, it might be showing up a little bit dark in this light, but it's actually a matte green dial, guys. It's probably just because of the sunlight, and it is beautiful.
You guys know how much I love green, but this was actually very, very high up on hubby's watch wish list, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, you're not the only one with a wish list.
So it is just beautiful. It's very highly sought after.
And it's a really cool everyday watch. Shall I try it on?
Yep.
Okay. So you guys probably know that I've got one of these Oyster Perpetuals already, but in the 36 mil with the silver dial. So I think this complements it really, really well because it's not only a bit bigger, but it's in a color. So I'm going to try it on. And it's already been sized for my wrist. So that's why it just fits perfectly.
Maybe do a little wrist roll.
There you go.
It's
So
stunning.
yeah, I love it.
It's malachite. Well, it's not really quite malachite. It's probably a bit more lighter green, but
Well, it's like an oyster. It's like a Rolex green. So
it is
this is
true.
like one of their, colors which is synonymous with the brand. So it's really cool. It's got just very simple batons. It's got no numbers on the dial, so it's easy to read. And yeah, you can wear it every day, pretty much with any outfit. So, I absolutely love it. I'm going to grow to love it even more as I spend more time with it. But thank you for getting me that for Valentine's Day. And you guys probably know that from the video, I thought she was getting something for herself, but in actual fact, the whole AD was in on the joke as well. So,
yeah, everybody was
actually
in
funny.
on it, and it was just so funny. His reaction was priceless and was really quite nice because they also gave hubby this too, which was unexpected, but it's always nice getting little gifts.
Oh, it's hard to open. Yeah, it's actually a Rolex pen. Now, that will go just perfectly with the watch. But,
Doesn't
I
it?
mean,
It's like a
I'm probably
green,
not
green,
going to use
green
them
thing.
together. But
Yeah.
yeah, that is so cool. And it's got even got the little coronet just on the top of the pusher there.
And then it also came with this. So this is just like the polishing cloth too.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So that is what I got hubby. I love it. I would actually wear it too, but it's too big for me. Let me put it on just to show what it looks like on my
want me to help you?
wrist. Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually a bit too big, but for me, if I was to get this, you guys know on my recent wish list video that I would love this version, but the 36 in the pink. So that is what it looks like on me. I mean, it is big. It is sort of like the size of my Daytona. If it was a little bit smaller, I probably would steal it because I love green. But I actually really like it on hubby better. But just to show you it on my wrist too.
Beautiful.
Such a gorgeous watch. I love that, you know, it's a little bit different and he doesn't have anything in this color. So that is what I got hubby.
Okay, you ready for your one?
Yep, ready for mine.
Bit of a story.
A little bit.
Here you go.
So it is from Hermes, and let me get it out. So again, this is going to come at no surprise because I've mentioned this again. And let me just unbox it and then just tell you kind of like what happened. But yeah, we did give these gifts to each other slightly early, but nonetheless, it is absolutely beautiful and something I wanted. So you guys know that I unboxed a couple of the Be My Love rings. And then, actually, you know what? Let me just open this up. But I ended swapping them because I want to change them for the bigger size, but they didn't have them in stock. So I have to order them and then they're going to take, and they might take a couple of months to come. So I really wanted, dun, 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 whoops. This, guys, let me bring it up closer, is the Josephine ring.
Oh, it's absolutely stunning.
It is so beautiful. So this version, I got the one that was asymmetrical with half pearls. It actually comes with another version that's got full pearls too. But I loved this one because even though it is dainty and elegant, the half pearls just makes it, I don't know, just slightly more edgy. And I wanted to wear it on my ring finger. So again, let me just go up close and you can just see how beautiful it is. And the Josephine collection, yeah, if you think it looks like a tiara, it is a tiara. And it comes with other styles that you can actually stack on top as well. But I just love, love this ring. Now, don't get me wrong, I still love the Be My Love. I just want to change the size and wear it on my index finger.
But you love this one more because I bought it for you, right?
I love this one more.
Because I bought it for you. Just say yes.
I love this one more because hubby bought it
There
for me.
you go.
But seriously, guys, you guys know that I loved this anyway. And yeah, it's just a matter of time before I get the Be My Loves again. But there's so much more on my wish list I wanted.
Can you try that on another finger? Or that's the only one?
This is the only one it'll fit on. I mean, I'll show you on my index. This is slightly smaller, my index finger here, but it's ever so slightly tight.
Oh, that's
on
pretty
this.
nice.
I probably could get away with it on here, but I think it would be too much on this hand with my, wedding ring set. But just to show you, it looks beautiful. It's just personal preference whether you want to wear it on the index or the ring finger. But for me, I want to wear it exactly here.
And can you wear it the other way?
Yes, you can also wear it the other way. Good point, Hubs. And actually, this really looks like a tiara this way, as you can see.
That's nice too.
Yeah, so you can wear it two ways. I love that Hermes rings are so versatile, like the Be My Love, the honeycomb, but it's beautiful. It is absolutely stunning and so my style. And yeah, definitely do check out Hermes. I just think, Yeah, I've said this before, it's so underrated. So that is what hubby got me.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, and then finally, I have saved the best for last. Well, to me, because this has been on my wish list for a couple of years now. This is my dream watch, and it is from dun 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 Audemars Piguet. And for those of you that watched my wishlist video, you probably can guess what this is. But this is my dream watch. I finally got the call, or should I say, well, hubby has a contact. By the way, we got this from the Hourglass. And oh my gosh, the box is so luxe. It should be luxe because this is not a cheap watch. This is like a wooden box. It's beautiful. I love the color with the box in itself. And it is, oh my goodness. Guys, let me present to you what I bought myself. Okay, let me just actually put it down and then hold it up this way. Is the Royal Oak 34 millimeter in rose gold. It's got the diamond bezel, silver face, and let me tell you, it actually I don't have a solid gold watch, and I have wanted this piece forever. Initially, I thought I wanted the 37, but I tried on the 37 in a different color, which wasn't for sale, and it actually extends beyond my wrist. And so the 34, when we got the call, I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. And if you look at the face, you can see these little squares, and it's actually called the tapisserie dial. Hubby can probably tell you a bit more about it. Let me just put it on. But it is, oh my gosh, it is perfect. Just so, so perfect. And there we go. As you can see, the 34 actually looks quite big on my wrist for a 34. Usually it doesn't wear as big, but it is a known fact that with all sort of Audemars watches that they wear 1 to 2 mils a bit bigger.
So because the Royal Oak has got this type of bracelet, which is called an integrated bracelet, it just makes it wider.
Yes.
So this is a 34, but it wears like a 36 or 37.
And then I was going to say, yeah, the 37 actually wears bigger than my Daytona, and it was like bigger than my wrist.
Well, there was a big gap right here underneath.
Yeah, there was a gap here. I don't know if you can kind of see, there was a gap this bit here.
Yeah.
But this is my dream watch, and oh my goodness, how beautiful is it? This was, yeah, wow. I don't know, I'm lost for words because I didn't expect to get it. Well, I was hoping to get it, but this watch is just stunning. I love that around the bezel, besides the diamonds, it's got these little screws around the octagonal face. And yeah, gosh, holding up my hand, it's already quite tiring.
Well, that's because
it's quite heavy. I'm to get used to it.
Well, it actually weighs a lot more than you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You want to show them the bracelet?
Hubby, do you want to talk about it?
So AP is renowned for its bracelets, and each bracelet takes such a long time to make, but it's got so many different facets. So they're considered probably some of the best bracelets in the world. So yeah, really beautiful as well. But it's their first self-winding 34 millimeter Royal Oak.
I actually didn't know that is the first 34 millimeter self-winding.
Yeah, it is. Before that, it was a quartz model.
Ah, I see. For me, yes. I mean, I just love the aesthetic of it. It is just, it's so me, don't you think? And
to
it's
a T.
It's me to a T. And it still matches my gold bracelet stack because, I don't know, the rose gold just actually looks so complimentary even on my skin tone too.
It's beautiful.
Isn't
Absolutely
it?
beautiful.
So I'll take it off. Was there anything else you wanted to add? So to push it open, you just push.
Yeah, you want to show them the exhibition case back? Do you want me to show?
Yeah, you do it.
Okay, so you can see the back here, and you can see that 18 karat gold rotor there. So that's why it's self-winding. And you can just see that's a work of art in itself. And you can even see those screws that adorn the back of the case too. So that design carries from the front to the back. And here on the clasp, you can see how it says
AP.
AP. So absolutely beautiful. And here's a bit of a close-up shot.
AP, absolutely perfect.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Absolutely perfect. So you can see the diamond bezel. And you know, there's one actual cool thing about the diamond bezel. Do you know what that is?
What is it?
I mean, it's 0.7 carats worth of diamond weight, but on the normal Royal Oaks, which are in usually, full gold or full steel,
Right.
the biggest complaint is that the bezel gets scratched like you wouldn't believe. So I'm not saying this is not going to get scratched, but it will hide it a lot better.
Oh, I didn't know that.
There you go.
So with the bracelet is actually in brushed rose gold. I think they call it pink gold. I think it's got some, is it all brushed?
No, there's a little chamfering on the edges. There's a little bit polished there, you can see.
Oh, yeah.
It's very subtle. That's how it gives it a bit more of that reflection.
Oh yeah, here, just a little bit along the side. See, attention to detail.
That's what I have.
It's true. I always get hubby to inspect everything because he's got eagle eyes. But that is my dream watch, and I love it so much. And yeah, it's just, AP, absolutely perfect for me. So that is what I got myself. A big investment for Valentine's Day, but as you guys also know, Audemars holds its value extremely well. It's very similar to Hermes. If anything, it will, if I was to sell this, which I'm not going to, it would even fetch more in the secondary market. But that's not the reason why I got it. I've always loved this watch. And I'm just so glad I can add it to my collection. I'm going to hashtag blame it on hubby that I'm now getting so into watches. But that is my beautiful new Royal Oak. So that is it, guys. That is what we got on Valentine's Day. Hubby got a beautiful Rolex.
I sure did.
I got my Chaumet ring, which he got me. And then finishing off the beautiful, stunning Audemars Royal Oak. And so, yeah, all watches today. I think this year, I think you guys actually like it when we do watches. You guys have been asking for more watch content. Hopefully I can do more watch vlogs, right?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. There's so many watch brands to explore. I'm just so giddy at the moment because I've got my dream watch. And of course I love my ring, and hubby loves his Rolex too.
I love it, and I absolutely am going to wear it straight after this video.
Yeah. So wishing you all happy Valentine's Day or Galentines Day with your loved ones. Spoil yourself or spoil your partner as well. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you soon in my next one. Bye guys.